Hello everyone, and welcome back to the SNS channel, where we teach you how to create beautiful designs and SNS dipping powder techniques. Valentine's Day is coming up quick, so for today's video, we'll be showing you how to create this beautiful Queen of Hearts nail design. Make sure to check out the link in the description below for Valentine's Day specials on snsnails.com. Alright, let's begin! We've already prepped the nail with natural set. For the extended tutorial on how to create the base, click the link on screen. We will start out by using French White SNS dipping powder. Use gellus base and apply an even coat over the whole nail. Dip in the powder at a 90-degree angle. Dust off any excess powder and repeat 2 more times. Follow up with sealer dry and make sure to cover the whole nail, including the nail tip. Wait for the nail to dry, then we'll start with the file and buffing. Once more, follow up with sealer dry. Wait for the nail to dry, and now we can begin our design. Use a small brush, dip into a red Gel Star UV color. Now let's create that Q. And now the heart. Let's use the UV LED light for 30 seconds. And just for a little bit more shine, we're going to add Gel Star BP34. Look at that glitter. All right, once more into the UV LED light for 30 seconds. And we really like that extra shine, so we're going to use Gel Star UV Top over the whole nail. We're going to make sure that it's properly sealed. Use the UV light for 60 seconds. And boom, Queen of Hearts is ready for Valentine's Day. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions, and let us know which tutorials you'd like to see next. Bye for now.